Hello everyone, it's Rita here, and I'm so sorry that this video has come to you late. I just lost track of what day of the week it was. So this is the flip through on the Trash to Treasure folio, which is a giveaway for me. So we'll just flip through it really quick. We made this out of a credit card application envelope. It was, I think, Discover. And so I decorated all of the envelope. We have this window that it came in and put all this design on there. Then in here we have a little flip here with some journaling space on both sides of that. And then inside we have a little notebook that I made out of guest checks, and those all have little floral designs on them. This little tag, and that goes back into this little pocket here. Then you open it up and there's journaling space here, and you could journal on that side. Here's a pocket with a tag in it for journaling on the back of that. And this one here is an envelope that that flips up, and it actually comes off, and then there's a little journal card inside there, and this side has a journal space. So that sits on top of this page. Let me redo that kind of. So that sits on the front of that page, and then you have this journal space here. So it's kind of weird how it, each page has its different side. Then here we have a little pocket and a journal card here. And all of these things are made from scraps. They're made from scrap digital papers. They're made from scrap envelopes, junk mail, packaging. Every tag, everything is made from, this is an old, not an old, but a leftover file folder. This one here just has an envelope, and you can journal on there, and has a little digital there that was extra digital. You can write on the back of this one. You can write on here. And I guess, I don't know, if you have a white pen, you could write on there. I didn't even see that. But yeah, so, and then I think back here we have this journal card, which was made out of also a packaging. And I just put a piece of paper on the back of that to make it a journaling space. This is old tea bags, used tea bags. And then there's just a little leftover piece of card. I was making another journal card, and I had to cut some off, and so I made a little tag out of that. So, it's trash. But I hope somebody enjoys getting it, because it's fun to do. And I hope you guys are doing something with your trash. And then there's a little slot right there to put that little holder to keep it shut. All right, now to who the winner is. I hope this is going to work. So let's see. Let's see if this is the button I'm supposed to push. I already put in the video. 51 comments. And there's the start. Okay. Let's start. There we go. All right. See all these names I recognize. Patty. Oh my gosh, I can't even say this. Patipiti. ETTI 5124. Pat, I don't know if that's the last name or what it is, but she put, you create amazing things, and you are so generous. Thank you, Pat. So Pat, put in the description below is my email address. Please email me with your address so that I can get this shipped out to you. Okay? If you're in another country, let's just hope you get it, because I've had such a hard time giving away, getting my packages to other countries. The last winner of this giveaway is still waiting for her package. It's in Atlanta at the post office. It's just sitting there, and there's nothing I can do. All right. Thank you so much, and have a great day. And I'm sorry this is late. Bye.